When we were introduced to the Infinity concept, we knew this was a way for us to increase our financial future, to leave a legacy, to give back. What I love most about being an Infinity member is that you have the opportunity for ongoing education. There are so many different avenues. There's online education, there's recorded education. Infinity has changed our financial future because now we have a plan in place. We know where we're going. We know what we want our future to look like and what we can make it look like. And we know that we have the resources and we have gained the tools to create the future that we want, not only for ourselves, but for our family, for our legacy. If you're considering joining Infinity, I would say don't think about it. Jump in. You will not regret it. And it will change your life for the better. Probably it's the thing that you've been looking for that you hadn't been able to find.